All right, guys, so I just finished taking the Volkswagen apart as much as I want to right now. So the next day I come out here, I can start working on it. And I found a couple interesting things. Most of the stuff I already knew already. So overall, as you can see, I got all the glass out besides the doors. They're still together. And the gas tank and everything is still in here. I got all the fenders off and all the glass out and, you know, all that other stuff. Most of the car looks exactly like I thought it was gonna look. There was a couple trouble spots. One is right here where I already ground down the paint. As you can see, somebody filled it up a lot with filler. I could tell that this area there was body work. I didn't know how bad it was, but it is very bad. It's really deep. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. And then on this side, this was rusted through where the running board and the fender connect. So we have a patch panel for this side right here. I'll cut this out, weld in a new patch to make that as good as new. And inside, battery tray, like usual, has the rust spot. So I have a patch panel for this also that I'm gonna cut in. This right here has got a hole, and I'm gonna do something with that while I'm in here, but inside the floorboards aren't bad at all besides that one spot. And the rest of the car, you know, it's been painted a couple times, so it needs to be sanded. The roof is pretty good, but it's gonna need to be sanded and primed and looked over once, but nothing really horrible that I found once I took it apart. So stay tuned for the next episode. I will start doing the bodywork and the patch panels and everything else that it gets it ready for paint. And we'll go from there.